Are you seeing errors created by the Cscdll library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. I recommend the automated system scan for Cscdll library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Cscdll library, the client-side caching CSC core library. It facilitates the localized synchronization logic for Windows offline files. It manages the localized transition of data between the network server and the localized system cache, ensuring file availability when the server is unreachable. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Since Cscdll library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Cscdll library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Be aware that manual fixes for Cscdll library DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines Cscdll library optimization concepts. If your workstation is back online and Cscdll library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.